Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 100 words per minute. Yes, start. Chief Minister and friends, I am glad that I have been able to be present on this occasion and meet you all together and associate myself with the proceedings of this conference where all the collectors of the districts of our state have assembled for deliberations and discussions. I take this opportunity of offering welcome to you all on my behalf and behalf of our government, and I hope that your stay will be comfortable and your deliberations will yield fruitful results. I would like to thank the Chief Minister for his kind invitation to me to be present here this morning to meet you at this conference and to say a few words at the commencement of the meeting. Of course, I have met most of you at various functions in which I participated and at formal interviews, social gatherings, and in my tours outside the city. Even within the short period of 6 months of my tenure of office here, I am happy to say that I have met the fullest cooperation in the discharge of my duties from all officers with whom I have come in contact, for which I convey thanks to all of them. Para Delhi has always been in the forefront in every department of public activity, and I have no doubt we have in this state a fine set of officers who are carrying on the traditions of good administration with a sense of devotion to duty, which is the characteristic of the people of North India. There are senior officers who have had considerable experience and training under the old British rule, and there are also other officers who have taken upon themselves their duties after our country became free. Many new officers have also joined duty, having been recruited in recent years. All of you, whether young or old, have to shoulder certain responsibilities, big or small, according to the position you occupy in the stages of offices, in the big task of carrying on a continuous fight against poverty and of reconstructing our country with a view to make developments in a welfare state. Para, I need hardly impress on you that in the new setup after getting the independence, there has been a drastic change in the outlook so far as our administrators are concerned, and also in their relations with the public. The people are our real masters, and it is expected that our officers should be friends of the people, and that the functions of our officers are something very much different from mere maintenance of law and order and the collections of revenues. In order to secure the people's voluntary cooperation, which is essential for the success of all the schemes under the second 5-year plan for all-round improvement of our country, for that it is necessary that the Officers should identify themselves with the people, sharing their joys and sorrows and remaining by their side for all ups and downs as friends and guides. Stop and over.